Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Trisha here, and I have a really interesting product to share with you today that has just been released in the last 24 hours, and it's called Recurring AI for Revenue. This product has just been released on the Warrior Plus platform, and I had a look at it. I was very curious to see how it would work and what was included. So I went ahead and purchased it. I've had a good look through the whole content, and now I'm here ready to provide you with your honest review that's totally independent and will help you make the decision whether you should purchase this or not. So let's dive in and see what's included. This product has been released today by two guys by the name of James and Max. They're actually really well known in the online marketing space, and they are always looking for ways to be innovative in creating new content, new ways to make money online, and how to get access to free traffic. I think from what I've seen in their products over the last 12 months, this is a recurring theme that they're following is how to help people generate more money online. But now they're moving into the space of rather than selling a product just for one time, how do you generate revenue on a weekly, fortnightly, or monthly basis? And in this product, you're going to find out how. If you're working online and selling anything through e-commerce, this is definitely for you. So that includes coaches, content creators, affiliate marketers, consultants, and developers. And I guess to some extent, if you have an agency and you're selling products or services, business to consumer, this could definitely work for you. I don't think this is a product for anyone selling business to business. So if you're selling to corporate clients or big shops or anything like that, this is probably not going to be the right service or solution for you. Um, if you're an online entrepreneur and you're selling any digital products or services, you can definitely use this. The price point for this product is only $17, and to me, it was a very low risk purchase. So I dived right in. I was very curious because I always find the sales pages don't give me enough information to make a decision whether or not I should purchase it. So in this instance, I jumped right in, I purchased the product, I went through it, and that's the review I'm giving to you. When you go through the checkout, you're going to be offered several upgrades to your initial purchase. At the end of this review, I'll show you what those upgrades look like and which ones I think are the star picks that if you're interested in taking it further and being really serious, that you should definitely consider it. More on that later. And as always, with anyone who purchases through my link, I'm always happy to support you and provide you with extra value. And the product I'm giving away to you today for free is called ChatGPT Profits. It's my own online course, and I think this would be a really nice complementary product to recurring AI. When you go through the product review now, I think you'll understand exactly why, but let's quickly go straight ahead. So this product, Recurring AI, is $17. When you click the link below, it will take you to a sales page, and here are two screenshots that I've taken. Now, this product has already ranked position number one as deal of the day, and what that means is when a product is really popular and it's getting really good reviews, the platform that it's launched from will determine whether that product should be in position number one, and this product has achieved that in less than 24 hours. And what that means is it's proving to be very good. It has a I think zero refund rate so far. I'll keep looking at that, but I'm pretty happy with what I've seen. And it's showing you a new way to make money online. Look, recurring revenue is not a new model. That's been around for a long time, but the actual method, how they're accessing this type of revenue is very different, and it took me by surprise, to be totally honest. So here is a sales screen. I'm not going to read through it because you can look at that in your own time. There's a link below. You can check it out further. And as I said, I was really curious and I went ahead and bought the product. This is what I found when I went inside and after I had paid the $17, this is what I was able to see. I was able to learn a new way of creating recurring income online, and it would work in any niche and any type of digital product or service that you are offering. Even if you're a software developer, you could use this for sure. It's a short mini course in real time. I think that this is only probably recorded in the last couple of weeks, so these strategies that are being shared are working right now. And I checked out the marketplace that they're recommending that you can use to sell many different types of digital products on recurring revenue model. And the marketplace is really good. actually, in fact, that marketplace has already achieved more than $300 million in sales, and it's really doing very well. They're also going to show you how to get free traffic. So if you decide to go ahead and take this model on, it doesn't cost you anything to sign up. You can get started straight away, and the platform is actually generating a huge amount of traffic already, and that's the traffic that you'll get access to when you publish your offer. Now, what I found really interesting in this platform, I'd never heard of it before, to be honest with you. I am pretty online, every day, pretty aware of what's going on. This really took me by surprise. It's one of those quick up and comers and it's doing really well. I see there's a great potential here if you want to sell digital products or services and you want to create some revenue, there's definitely a way. And the different ways to sell is very interesting. I'll show you some screenshots that I took from inside that you can take a look at as well. They're going to also show you how to create. Max and James have made some videos on how you can make digital products using artificial intelligence and how to repurpose and sell new and existing products. As I mentioned, I'm giving you a copy of ChatGPT's Profits, my course, which will show you how to make digital products, and it'll fit in really nicely with this. I think you'll be able to do really well. Now, recurring AI, the inside view, what will happen is when you make a purchase, you'll automatically get access to this view. This view is inside, let's call it a course, just for a simple term. There's a number of main titles here and a series of videos. Each video is pretty short, anything from like 4 to 6 minutes, which means it's easy to digest and consume. I think the biggest takeaway for me from this is there's three things. One is watch the videos and learn, take action immediately, and get in early while you can if you are serious about making some recurring revenue. So I've got a ton of different products of my own, digital products, that I'm actually looking at I've just started putting together my own recurring revenue model on this site, and I'll report back and see how that goes in about a month, and I'll give you an update. So you're getting lots of information here. In fact, what they're providing, I would normally expect to see in a course that would be at least $500 to $1,000. So for $17, it's a no-brainer. Start again. I thought it would be a good idea to share some examples with you of what some users are doing on this particular platform and what they're selling. So here's just a quick snapshot. I typed in the keyword course and I was able to see straight away these are the different types of products some people are selling. So this lady, for example, is Start a Brand Today course and she's charging $80. This next one, TikTok Mastery, they're charging $17 a week. Navigation trading, there's all different types of products, $129 a month. Now, the one that's here for TikTok Mastery is fairly new. It's just been launched and they've already got 133 people subscribed and they're paying $17 a week. That's huge. So, you'll be able to see all of this when you go through this course and you'll get a link to how to access this platform. So these are ideas of some of the types of products that you could create recurring revenue from. You could do a web app, a Discord, a Telegram. So if you're into the whole conspiracy theory and you want to share content, you can make a private group and sell it through this. Trading views, courses, files, software apps. So I'm going to be using the course and the files from what I learned in this program to make money recurring revenue. Now I started to create a program, something to sell, and when I did, these are the options that came up on the screen. As you can see, there's lots of different niches, lots of different types of products. And if you have a computer just like me that's full of lots of digital products you've created over the years, this might be a really great way to repurpose them and monetize them again. So there's three ways to make money from this particular method, recurring revenue. One is to sell your products, any type of digital product. That includes templates, content, software, and courses. Or sell your services, whether that's including memberships, consulting, advisory, engagement, content sharing. And the third one is to become an affiliate for that particular marketplace platform. You can set up payment methods for recurring income weekly, fortnightly, and monthly on autopilot. So when you set up a product, you can give a customer a free trial for a couple of days, and then they click over to a weekly, fortnightly, or monthly subscription. Now, when you go through the checkout for this product, it is $17. I mentioned a few minutes earlier that there are a number of upgrades available, and here they are. These are the upgrades, the first option to purchase. To get access to any of these upgrades, you need to purchase the first item, which is recurring AI, and that's $17. The items in green I have highlighted and been through, and I can recommend these products. The items in white, there is nothing wrong with them. They're totally fine. I have just picked these out as ones that I would definitely dive in and grab straight away. If you were thinking about it and you had a little bit of money spare and you wanted to make some money online, this would be a great way for you to consider it. Okay, so that's the end of my review. My name is Trisha and I'm from Passive Income Today. Let me go right back to the very beginning. This is a honest, independent product review for recurring AI. It's a mini course that teaches you how to make money online through this very new platform that has already had great traction and people are doing really well. So if you're considering it just for $17, dive right in and grab it. I think it's fantastic. You'll also get access to ChatGPT Profits. It's a course that I've created and I'm looking forward to sharing with you so you can make passive income. Have a great day.